All right, so you guys see it. We've got ourselves a beautiful Lamborghini Murciélago, and this is gonna be an awesome build at the shop. We are gonna be de-trimming this car and doing a lot of work to it and making it something special. So it already is a really nice car, but the owner wants to customize this car, change the color on it. We're gonna do inside and out, and we're gonna give it a beautiful mirror paint job on this one. So I'm really looking forward to getting this one started. It's in the stall now. We're gonna go ahead, de-trim it, because we do have to do some mocking up of some of the parts that we've got that the owner wants on this vehicle, and we can't wait to get started on it. So here we go. So you see we started to dismantle the front end of the vehicle. This is the original bumper, and it has a flat front on it. So the one that we are installing on this car is gonna be the SV style, which is a more aggressive look. I'll take you over there now and show you the bumper that we are going to be putting on and some of the things that we're going to have to do in order for that to work. So this is the bumper that we are going to be using now on this car, and this is the SV style, which is a more aggressive looking front end, and it is going to be a lot nicer looking once we get it done. But being that this has a different front here where there's a hole, now it is conflicting with the front end of the car, so we are going to have to modify this. This is some sort of a panel that is made out of either fiberglass or carbon. We're gonna go ahead and take it off and make it flat. That way, once that new bumper goes up, it has the clearance, because right now it's hitting the front panel here. And then we'll move forward on what else we're gonna be doing to this vehicle. All right, so you see Dan has that new front bumper installed on the vehicle, and he did have to remove that front closure panel for it to fit on. He's just mocking everything up right now as far as the bumper goes, and he did notice the front end was in a small collision at one time. So we will straighten that out as we're doing this job and make everything the way it needs to be. This is the new tailgate we're installing, and this is gonna be one heck of a job. This is a 2008 manual Murciélago, and I do have the pleasure on working on this one with Dan. You guys have seen him before in some of the other videos. Top level guy, top level body man, and once we get this thing all finished up, it is going to be a real showstopper. We are going to be hitting them in this video with the 2K urethane, and we're just checking over everything as it's coming off and making sure that everything is going to be top of the line once we get done with this one, because this is nothing that you want to really not go all the way with. You want to make sure that you take your time, block it out. And this thing has been painted before, but it does have some small imperfections in it that we are going to make sure that we handle. So as the parts are being taken off of the car, I'm prepping them out and getting them primed up. That way that primer has as long as possible to dry. We're gonna go ahead and get them primed up. That way they're sitting and they're curing up nice. That way, once we get ready to paint it, we don't have to worry about any shrinkage. All right, so we have one of the fenders removed from the Lamborghini, and I wanted to show you guys how this car is built. This does not have bolts. There's no bolts holding this fender on. It's bonded to the inner structure of this, because this vehicle is more like a race car. It's not really set up to be designed for collision. It's designed to be fast and look good. And once you remove the fender, you've basically got nothing here. So you've got to heat that fender up to get it off, and it's bonded to the cowl that comes along on this inner reinforcement. But the thing about this is there's no bolts. So once you get everything off and you go to put that new fender on, you have to make sure that you have the front end all set up and you have the right amount of glue, because without that being set in the right spot, this thing won't line up right. So there's a lot involved in this thing, and it's not something that's going to be quickly done. It's got to be done with the right amount of time invested in it. That way that this job will look the way that it needs to once it's all back together. And we are working our way around it. We had some small damage to the quarters. The other side looks like somebody must have hit it when they were filling it up with gas, and it's right in line with the gas cap. So this will be a complete color change, and it is going to be a special one once it's all done, because we will have the SV fenders, we'll have the SV front bumper, and we do have that custom lift gate for the back here that's really going to look cool once it's all done. So there's a lot going on here with this job, and we have a busy shop. So we work on this in between, because it's going to be something that has to be right. And with doing something like this that is set by the amount of glue and everything has to be built, it takes time to make sure that this car is going to be right, and that's what we're going to be doing here on this one.